Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome back to Canard Boulevard. Today we're going to be fixing a little bit of a ridge issue on my hangar. Coming up. So as you can see, this piece of concrete here is sunk just a little bit. And as a result, I have kind of a ridge here that the airplane has to get up and over to get out. I made a couple little cold patch ramps here. I used just a little bit of cold patch because that's all I had with me, but I've got some more and I just wanted to talk about this stuff. It's called Aquaphalt, and unlike typical cold patch, it's epoxy based. So there is oil in it like typical cold patch, and it's soft and malleable and you can work it with your hands, but it doesn't actually harden until you pour water on it. So what you do is you take this bucket here and you're just going to I'm going to take some of that, put it all along here, make the ramps a little bit bigger, and then I will pour water on it. And as you can see, it's rock hard because this is cured. And all it takes is water on there, wait for 24 hours, and now you have rock hard cold patch that will last through the summer and the winter, and it's great. It's good stuff. It's called Aquaphalt, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. All right, so you can see I've just put down some more of this Aquaphalt, and then I've tamped it down. I mean, you could use a hammer or anything heavy and flat, but the idea is that you want to pack it in a bit. And then we just pour water on it, just like this. And in 24 hours, this will be basically as hard as asphalt, because that's what it is. But the binder is water-activated epoxy. You want to make sure it gets good and soaked. All of it, you want to have all wet because that's what makes it hard, obviously, and cure. Now you do want to make sure that you get enough water on there to make it cure. You can't put too much water on, but you can put too little, so it's best to err on the side of caution and put lots of water on it. And like asphalt, it is a petroleum-based product. You can see it has oil in it, and when you pour the water on it, you'll see the water is kind of beating and moving around, but it does work. I've used this for over a year now. I used it on my old hangar. It worked great. That's why I have no qualms in recommending it, because it works really well. So if you have a problem like this in your hangar and you want to make, maybe you got divots where the wheels have sunk in and you need to fill it in and make it level like I did at my old hangar, then just buy some of this Aquaphalt, put it in there. No tools needed, just some gloves, and I saw I used a piece of 2x4 to flatten it out, and it works great. So that's it for this video. Quick, sweet, and short. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below, and click like and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out when you do that. Thanks for watching.